Welcome to Vietnamese Home Cooking, everyone. Today, I will share with you a very quick and easy recipe of how to make delicious crispy shrimp dumplings in two ways: air fry and deep fry. And the most important of all is you make them with no flour, no knead, no yeast, no wasting time on those steps, and no worry if the dough is done correctly or not. And believe me, they will come out just perfect every time you make them, and it won't take much of your time either making or cleaning the mess after you're done. So, let's get to it. First of all, let's blanch 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimps for 1 minute. Drain and let them cool down. Cut half of an onion into slices, then add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mix well, and set aside. We also need half cup of chopped green onion. Now that the shrimps are cooled down, let's chop them up and put into the bowl along with the green onion. Then, squeeze out some of the juice from the onion, cut into small pieces, then add to the chopped shrimps. Add 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Then mix well. Now, here comes our secret ingredient, the sandwich bread. Cut off all the crust, then roll them out as flat as you can. If the bread has hole like this, no problem. Just take a piece from the crust and fill the hole, then roll it out flat like the others. Okay, now, let's get some water and a brush, and we are ready to shape the dumplings. Add the filling into the middle of the bread sheet, then wet all the edges. And fold in half, press to seal. Then use the scissors to cut around to make it look pretty. Then use the forks to make the marks. Here goes the dumpling. It's pretty and easy to make, isn't it? We just repeat the process until we are done. Okay, we are done shaping the dumplings. Let's air fry some of them first. Spread a thin layer of oil on all over the dumplings. Flip to the other side and do the same thing. We will air fry them at 390 Fahrenheit degree for 17 minutes. Make sure to flip them in between. Add oil to the pan to fry the rest of the dumplings. You can either fill it up all the way to cover the whole dumpling to deep fry them if you prefer, or just enough to fill half of it, then flip over as it turns golden brown. Make sure to cook under medium heat. This is the pan-fried dumpling. I love the crispy sound as I break it off. And the one was air-fried is just as crispy as the other, even though the color is not as golden brown. Thank you for watching Vietnamese home cooking, everyone. I would love to hear some feedback from you all if you try this recipe at home. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get the notification whenever I have new recipe upload. Thanks a million. See you soon.